How to use Instagram's close friends feature. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's discuss how the close friend feature works on Instagram. So you may have noticed the option to add close friends or share content exclusively with them. Perhaps you've received a story from a friend in the close friends network, and I'll explain how to set it up and select who is on your list. So now, first of all, open your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and go to the section of who can see your content. From here, simply choose close friends, that is just below the account privacy and cross-posting option. Simply tap on it. Now you'll notice a message stating that we don't send notifications when you edit your close friend list. So people won't know if they've been added. If you tap on how it works, it explains that you can choose who's on your list. Once you add people from this list over here, they can see the stories you share only with them. These stories will have a special label indicating that they are for close friends only. And keep in mind that while the people are on your close friend list will know that they are on it, they cannot see who else is included. And so to create your list, you can simply tap on view names, and this helps you share stories with your closest friends instead of everyone. So once you're done selecting names, hit on done. So this was all about it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.